Disclaimer. The content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only. While we strive to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the information presented, we cannot guarantee its completeness or relevance to your specific circumstances. The case studies shared are based on publicly available information and are not intended to defame, harm, or misrepresent any individual, organization, or entity. Viewer discretion is advised. Always conduct your research and seek professional advice where necessary. The opinions expressed are those of the channel and do not constitute professional, legal, or financial advice. The Adani Group is a name synonymous with ambition and scale in India. Founded in 1988 by Gautam Adani Sir, the group started as a humble commodity trading business. Today, it is a multinational conglomerate with a presence across diverse sectors. These include energy, ports, logistics, and agribusiness. Headquartered in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, the Adani Group has grown exponentially. It boasts revenues of approximately $30 billion and employs over 23,000 people globally. This remarkable journey from a trading company to an industrial titan is a testament to the group's aggressive expansion and strategic vision. The Adani Group's rapid ascent is closely intertwined with India's economic liberalization in the early 1990s. The group seized the opportunities presented by privatization and infrastructure development. It ventured into port operations, establishing Mundra Port as a major maritime gateway for India. This move marked a turning point, laying the foundation for the group's foray into related sectors like logistics and power generation. The group's success can be attributed to its sharp focus on infrastructure development. This aligns perfectly with India's growing economic needs. The Adani Group has consistently invested in building critical infrastructure. From ports and power plants to airports and logistics networks, their projects have contributed significantly to India's growth story. At the heart of the Adani Group's success lies a multi-pronged business model. This model leverages diversification, vertical integration, strategic acquisitions, and government contracts. This strategic approach has enabled the group to minimize risks, maximize efficiencies, and secure a dominant position in key sectors. Diversification has been key to the Adani Group's growth strategy. Starting with commodity trading, the group strategically expanded into various sectors, capitalizing on emerging opportunities. This diversification has allowed the group to hedge against risks associated with any single industry and tap into multiple growth drivers within the Indian economy. This strategy is evident in their presence in sectors as diverse as energy, resources, logistics, and defense. Vertical integration is another cornerstone of the Adani Group's business model. By having a presence across the entire value chain in key sectors, the group benefits from enhanced operational control and cost advantages. For instance, in the energy sector, the Adani Group is involved in coal mining, power generation, and transmission. This vertical integration allows them to control costs, ensure a steady supply of raw materials, and streamline operations. The Adani Group has been embroiled in numerous controversies and challenges, primarily revolving around allegations of bribery, stock manipulation, and corporate fraud. Key issues include bribery allegations. Gautam Adani and associates were indicted in the US for allegedly orchestrating an elaborate scheme to bribe Indian government officials, with accusations of concealing these actions from investors. Stock manipulation. The group faced severe scrutiny after Hindenburg Research accused it of engaging in stock manipulation and accounting fraud, leading to a significant drop in market value. Regulatory investigations. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, has launched investigations into the Adani Group's financial practices, particularly regarding compliance with public shareholding laws. International impact. The controversies have affected Adani's international projects, with countries like Kenya cancelling multi-million-dollar deals due to the ongoing scrutiny. Financial consequences. The group's stock prices plummeted, resulting in a loss of approximately $150 billion in market value, shaking investor confidence and raising concerns about future funding and expansion. Political connections. Critics argue that the Adani Group has benefited from crony capitalism, leveraging its close ties with the Indian government to secure favorable contracts and treatment. These challenges pose significant risks to the Adani Group's reputation and business operations, with ongoing investigations likely to impact its future prospects. The Adani Group envisions a transformative role in India's growth, focusing on sustainable development and innovation across various sectors. Their vision emphasizes energy transition, a commitment to renewable energy, aiming to lead India's shift towards sustainable energy sources, thereby reducing carbon footprints and enhancing energy security. 2. Infrastructure development. The Adani Group is heavily invested in building critical infrastructure, including ports, logistics and transportation networks, which are essential for boosting India's economic growth and facilitating international trade. Job creation. Through its diverse business operations, the group aims to create millions of jobs, contributing to economic stability and improving the livelihoods of many families across the country. Corporate social responsibility. The Adani Foundation focuses on community development initiatives, impacting over 500,000 families through education, healthcare, and skill development programs, thereby fostering inclusive growth. Technological innovation. The group is investing in digital infrastructure and innovative technologies to enhance operational efficiency and support the new energy ecosystem, positioning India as a leader in the global market. Sustainable practices. Adani's commitment to sustainability includes initiatives in resource management and environmental conservation, aligning with India's goals for sustainable development and climate action. Global expansion. By exploring international markets, the Adani Group aims to enhance India's global economic presence, attracting foreign investment and fostering international partnerships. In conclusion, the Adani Group's vision for India is centered around sustainable growth, infrastructure development and social responsibility, which collectively aim to propel the nation towards a prosperous and resilient future.